I'm a delivery driver and making $88 per delivery and up to $230 per delivery with Curry. Curry is one of the highest paying gig apps out here for making deliveries. So if you're interested in making $88 per delivery, up to about $230 per delivery, sign up with Curry. You could be delivering all different types of supplies. For example, let's take a look. You could be delivering oil and gas, home improvement products, tires, kitchen and bath, irrigation, paint, HVAC, flooring, electrical, landscaping, plumbing, roofing, solar, building materials, lumber, auto parts, and more. So it will all depends on the type of vehicle you're driving to determine what type of products you will be delivering. For example, if you have a Sprinter van or even a cargo van, you could be delivering large, heavy, bulky products, which intends pays the most. High payout. You can make $230 per delivery. If you're in a smaller car, you could be delivering auto parts, plumbing, electrical, tires, and more. Something that will fit in your vehicle. Now you might be delivering 10 to 15 boxes of brake pads, or you could be delivering boxes of alternators. For example, there can be a mechanic shop somewhere in your area who is working on a vehicle for someone. They'll reach out to the Curry app looking for a product that they need to help fix up the car with. They will then reach out to you. You will get an alert to your phone, let you know what type of product that they need. You would then deliver that product to the mechanic shop. You'll get paid right after you complete the delivery. So once you sign up for the gig app, you can be a partner with this program. It's pretty much like any other gig app. Uber, DoorDash, Lyft. You will get an alert to your phone anytime there's a job available in your area. You will have all type of details listed below telling you about the product, how many pounds the product weigh, where the product needs to be delivered, how much the delivery is paid, and how far you have to travel. So if you're interested in making $88 and up to $230 per delivery, tap in, sign up with Curry app. It's more better than Uber, DoorDash, and Lyft because it's a high payout. Um, you don't have to be worried about paid $5 to $10, $15 per delivery. You can do this full time, part time, on your own time. You don't have anybody directing you, physically telling you what you need to be doing, where you need to be going. It's all on the app. I'm pretty sure you all are pretty familiar with Uber, DoorDash, and Lyft and how it works. So if you're interested in making good payout, good pay, and getting paid daily on the spot, and also receiving a tip, your tip can be anywhere from $20 to about $27.50. However, it will depend on the company that you're working for. This is a great option for anybody who's tired of searching around on the internet, looking for different ways to make money, wasting money, and not making money. Like myself, I tried DoorDash, I tried um, what is that? Drop shipping, and I wasted a lot of time. I wasted a lot of money. Didn't make nothing. But with these gig apps, I always make money. I come up, and I'm only driving 15 miles, maybe up to about 32 miles per delivery. For example, if I drive 15 to 20 miles for $88, I pay for my own gas, put about 15 bucks in gas for delivering a box of brake pads to a delivery of an auto mechanic shop. I feel that's good pay. I didn't really waste any time and I actually made money. Now, you can sign up as a gig driver or a courier driver. You can also sign up as a freight driver. That's if you have a box truck or even an 18 wheeler. with those type of vehicles, you can get paid a lot more. If you have something like a Sprinter van, don't worry about lifting heavy products because they will have someone at the loading port to help you load everything with the forklift. So therefore, you won't have to be doing any heavy lifting, breaking your back. Once you reach to your destination, you can hand load, unload everything, and make the delivery. Only thing you need to have in that case, a dolly, toe straps, and a tarp. It's pretty simple, quick, and easy. Only thing you need to have is a vehicle, whether you're driving a car, a truck, an SUV, Sprinter van, box truck. You need basic insurance for your vehicle. You need to be able to speak English. You must have a smartphone. And I would say that's pretty much it. You don't really need no kind of experience. So this would be a great option for anyone 18 years or older to make some real good money throughout your day. Just imagine you take on 5 to 6 deliveries, and at a minimum, each one is paying $88 per delivery. Now that adds up. Real money without investing any money except for the gas that you will be putting in your car. So that's all I have for you guys in this video. Stay tuned to my next one.